Hey, hello guys, this is the Vamsi Chipai here. Today we are going to see that how to create a dashboards like this without even a single formula. Let's check out. Before that we have to create a data. I have my own data. In this video we are creating a new data. I will show you how to create. So we have to create a new sheet. As I clicked on the new sheet, and we have to create a new column as serial number, and a new column as teacher's name, and a new column of class 1, and a new column of second class, third class, and last total. Addition without even a formula, single formula. So I will show you some steps. Okay, so we have to select the data, and we have to click on the auto sum, and we have to click on the sum, and we have to click on the enter button. Boom, we can see here our addition is ready in front of us. Okay, cool. Now I will show you that how to create a dashboards. So before that we have to click on the before that we have to select the data, and we have to click on the insert tab, and we have to click on the column, and we have to select randomly. I will select the second one. Okay, so we have selected it and we have clicked on it. Oh my god, it is awesome. We are seeing that the ready-made dashboard is ready in front of us. We have created a dashboard without even a single formula, guys. So comment me that how you like this video. You have, if you want to create a big data, you can go through the big data. As I gone through the big data, this is the result. So guys, comment me how you liked this video, and like me, please support us. For more videos, follow our channel. Okay, goodbye.